Hello everyone. Today we are going to see a video about regarding CBSE Term 1 examination for grade 10 and grade 12. From CBSE we received a notification circular on 6/11/2021 demystifying OMR to be used in Term 1 examination regarding they have sent a circular how to fill a OMR sheet for writing a board exam, term 1 exam for grade 10 and grade 12. They have given some instruction also. Here they have given some of instruction with the sample copy of OMR sheet, answer sheet. So here you can see the sample OMR sheet. This is how it is looking. Here you can see these details are pre-filled. That is your roll number. That here after writing the roll number, you can see that it is in digits and words, and then date and date of examination and center number and name, subject code and name, candidate's name and father's name, and school code and name. So you have what you have to do means you have to check the details whether the given details are correct here, or is there any mistake is there. You have to contact your invigilator and you have to immediately inform to the invigilator. So otherwise the details are pre-filled, you no need to do anything. So you have to fill only your question paper code. So here you can see here question paper code is place is given here in this box. You have to write a question paper code. The question paper code, the question paper you will receive from the invigilator. From that question paper, top of the right corner you can see the question paper code, and then you can write the question paper code with very carefully. And also after writing this question paper code and checking the pre-filled details of your candidate details, then after that here you can see here the marking place is there, answer marking place is here. So in this marking place, here you can see four circles options are there, and after the four circles you can see one box is there, box given, and then after the box they have given another circle, 1 2 3 4 like that. So I will tell you what is the purpose of this box and what is the purpose of this circle. So you are going to attend the test, okay? So in a OMR sheet, so if you are right, if you take the first question, the answer is A, then the answer is A, but the answer is exact answer is C. So you wrongly answered for A, but exact answer is C. So what you have to do, wrongly you answered, then you have to write the answer C in the box, so that you can so that they will give a mark for you. So even if you are marking here in option circles in option wrong also, if you are writing the correct answer in the box means that answer only will be calculated. So whenever you are writing the shading the circle, be careful. If you are wrongly shading also, when you are writing the answer in this box, be confident and write the answer with the confident. If you don't have a confident in writing the answer in the box, please don't write. Take some time and think and write, okay? And what about this circle? Here if you are not attended this particular question, so you have to circle the circle this numbers, okay? For example, second question, I am not attended, I am not answered for this any options, I don't know the answer, so I didn't answer, I didn't write anything in the box also means. So what I have to do, i have to I have to circle this, so that this question is not attempted by me. So this is the way you have to attend the OMR sheet. Then after this, here you can see what you have to do means, they in this box they have given one option, that what right correct option, what is the option is, I confirm that all particulars given above are correct. So here the box will be empty here. So I'll show you the empty box also, how it will looks like. This is sample OMR sheet. Here you have to write the this content in the blue pen or black pen. So remember children, you have to use only blue pen or black pen only. The students should use only blue pen or black pen. I confirm that all particulars given above are correct. So this you have to write in the blue pen or black pen. Then after writing this by your handwritten running letters only you have to write. Then after that, candidate signature, this is also in running hand. Some students they are writing with the capital letters, while they are putting a signature they are writing in the capital letters. They are writing their name itself they are writing, exact name they are writing. So you should not do like that. So you have to put a signature as a signature in a running letter. Okay. So these are all the information. And one more information. Here you can see wrong method and right method. Here they have given a correct method. Only one circle you have to short correctly, and then two shirts and three shirts and all if you are doing in the same column or row, it will be taken as a wrong, and it will not be evaluated. Okay children. And one more thing. So if you are not shading anything in this circle, for example first question, if you are not shading anything in this circle, so you have, if you are answering in the box, if you are answering in this box, this will be considered as a considered as a mark, evaluate, it will be evaluated. But if you are written anything here, if you have written anything as circle shaded anything here, if you are shaded it, for example second question B I shaded, but nothing I have written in this box, so what will be the answer, what will be the mark means it will not be evaluated. So the final answer will be considered from this box only. So you have to write the exact answer in this box, and also you have to show the answers here in these circles. So remember children, if you are not attending the question, yeah, question means you have to circle the circle here. Here they have given this circles here, so you have to circle showed here in this circle. Okay. So hope you all understand how to use the OMR sheet to attend the CBSE term 1 examination. So now if you here you can see the last one, invigilator part and evaluator part. So you should not touch this place. So here you don't need to do anything in this place, because this is invigilator part, so they will take care of this. So this is the way you have to attend this OMR sheet children. Hope you all understand. Thank you.